Want to make sure your Steam app is up to date? Here's a quick and easy way to update Steam and fix any issues if it's not working. First thing you need to do is locate the Steam app on your Windows computer. You may have it as a shortcut and on the desktop or on the taskbar as I do. And if you don't, you can also use search and type Steam to locate it there as well. So I'm going to open it as I have it in my taskbar. I'll open it right now. We'll have to wait a couple of seconds till it loads. Bear with me. Close this pop-up. And now that we are on the app and it's loaded, we go to the top and click Steam. And we go down to check for Steam client updates and click that. It's checking and it has Steam client update. You can view patch notes. Can I give you more details here? You can scroll down and check all that stuff if you're interested. If you're not, click download. The download process will take as long as your internet connection can withstand it. And it is downloaded. Apply and restart Steam. Again, give it a minute or two. This may take a bit longer. Loading in now, and we're on. We're back. Get rid of that. And there's a message at the bottom of the screen saying your Steam client is now up to date. And oh, I didn't even need to press close. It just disappeared. And that's it. Your Steam app should now be up to date and ready to go. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.